Lala English News. Today's news is heavy rain compensation. Last year, in August, there was a heavy rain, and the streets near Gangnam Station became like a river. The manhole cover opened, and a sister and a brother in their 40s fell down into the hole and died. 서초구 has to pay 1.6 billion won to their bereaved family. The court expected the sister and brother to be able to work until the age of 65. They expected the sister could earn 300 million won and the brother 1.2 billion won as he was an accountant. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.